Hey everyone, so today I thought I would review Manic Panic Fuchsia Shock dye since I dyed my hair. As you guys can see, I went from being a boring medium brown to this beautiful fuchsia, so I guess I'll just tell you guys what I think of the hair dye. I used a little bit, like less than half of a tube to do my shoulder length hair. I have really thick hair though. My hair was bleached to probably about a really light yellow verging on white almost in some places. I'm really enjoying it. So it's pretty much just a fuchsia pink purple color. It is very vibrant, so if you're looking for more of a subtle shade, this is not for you. This is super vibrant. I am absolutely in love with this shade. I've never done my hair this color before. I've done pink, purple, red, blue, all that sort of stuff, but I've never done like a fuchsia, and I'm really obsessed. I'm definitely gonna go pick up more. I picked up mine from Walmart because I didn't see it at Sally's, but I don't know, I'm sure you can get it from Sally's, but I don't know, you guys, I'm like really obsessed with how it looks, and I feel so much more confident. I haven't dyed my hair in probably about 3 years properly, and this is the first time I've bleached my entire head and like done all of it, and I'm super excited. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. It's Makeup by Tasha XO, and I will put it in the description. But yeah, if you guys want to see more hair dye reviews, let me know because I will definitely be dyeing my hair more. As always, Manic Panic is vegan and cruelty free. I'm definitely loving Manic Panic hair dye. I've been using Manic Panic hair dye for about 6 years, and I love it. It stays in my hair really well. It doesn't fade fast. But this shit stained like everything, so know that this shade in particular is gonna stain everything. It stained the bathtub, it stained my shirt, it stained. So as long as you're aware of that, it's fine. So here is what it looks like just in like natural sort of lighting. It's really pretty.